I'm going on vacation soon with my son, and I hate traveling with anything larger than a carry-on. So I have my carry-on here, and I have our pile of clothes here. And I was gifted this vacuum seal storage bag by Costco that I'm going to try out and hopefully save a bunch of space in my bag so that we can continue to stuff it with all of the extra toiletries and everything that I need to travel with a 2-year-old. So the bag does come with the pump and the batteries. So I'm going to put those in, and it looks like it is the perfect size for one full side of my carry-on, which is exactly the size that I need and going to be so ideal for me. Right off the bat, you can see just how thick this bag is. It is such a great quality, and it has this little window here so you can see exactly what you have packed. I am already a diehard packing cube fan, so having one that's going to save me space is just an upgrade that I didn't know I needed. The pump also comes with a variety of attachments. You can use it for things other than just this vacuum seal bag. And the attachments will connect both to the part that sucks the air out, and this is the part that blows air. So it'll blow up and it will remove the air. Let's pack my bag and see how small we can get it. Everything is in. This is what we're looking like. It is packed to the brim. I probably could have done that a little bit nicer and saved some room in here, but everything fit just fine, so I'm going to leave it how it is. And you can definitely tell that the zipper itself is reinforced, so I'm not worried about this being overstuffed or popping the zipper. Make sure everything is tucked in. I also really like that it has these D-rings that you can hold on to. That just makes zippering the bag easier. So we have 2 on this side and 2 on this side. And they just kind of keep the bag flat and taut as you're zippering it so that the pieces align a little bit better. And honestly, if you have a strap, you could add a strap to this and carry it around without even adding it to a different suitcase if you so prefer that. So now this is the bag that we have, totally zipped up, pretty chunky. And for size reference, this is what it looks like in my suitcase. So it definitely would fit, but I would have to open up the other half here and wouldn't be able to really pack any of my toiletries in here. And it has a handle on the top, so if you want to carry it around like this, you can as well. So I added this nozzle and I pushed out some of the air to activate the one-way air valve. Bring this over here. Going to stick that in. All right, I think we successfully got all of the air out. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I did end up repacking the bag. It was still a little bit taller than I wanted it to be. So I ended up doing 2 rows of clothes as opposed to everything stacked on top of each other this way. They're now stacked this way. So let's suck out the air again and see how it looks. And we're gonna push out the air first. Got that valve going in the right direction. Put this right on top. Turn it on. All right, I think we got a lot more air out that way too. All right, well that is definitely better. I can close this side up and still be able to use the other half of my suitcase. I also just wanted to take a second to show you how it looks in a large suitcase, because you could definitely fit 2 of these side by side and save even more space. So overall, if you're looking for a space-saving way to travel, I definitely recommend checking out these packing cubes. Thank you so much to the brand for sending these to me so that I could share them with you.